Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
The symbol for percent is as shown on the board. Percent means out of a 100, 100 stands for 100 parts in the whole number, or we can say that the whole number has been broken up into 100 parts. Let's say 35 out of 100. Now in a fraction that would be 35 divided by 100, which will equal 35%. Now as a decimal it would be 0.35, which gives you 35%. As a fraction the denominator will always be 100. 10 bowls with 10 apples each equals 100 apples. Now since 50 out of 100 apples are red, we can say that 50% of the apples are red. Since 50 over 100 equals half, we can also say that half equals 50%. Let's solve a percent problem together as an example. Step 1, we must make the percent fraction. In this example it's easy, as the number of parts are already out of 100. So our percent fraction will be 24 out of 100. Step 2, once we have divided the amount of parts by the whole number we will get a decimal. In our example the decimal is 0.24. To make the decimal a percent we need to multiply by 100. And we get our answer, namely 24%. The fraction or ratio is 16 out 25. The whole part is only 25. This needs to be 100. If we divide 100 by 25 we get 4, this means that we have to multiply the whole part by 4, get 100. What we do to the bottom part of a fraction, we must do to the top part also, so we have to multiply 16 by 4, and we get 64. Now we have a percent fraction, 64 out of a 100, which will equal 64%.
Parts of a whole. Here we have a square shape, which has been divided into 100 equal parts. So our whole number is now 100. Now let's shade in 13 of the squares. So our part number now will be 13. Now that we have the total number of parts and the number of shaded parts, we can calculate what percentage of the shape is shaded. Now you can see in the bottom the ratio and percent. The part comes on the top portion of the fraction and the whole number at the bottom. So we have 13 out of 100 that is shaded, which would equal us with 0.13 in a decimal. Now to convert our decimal into a percentage we need to multiply with 100. Which gives us now our final answer of 13%. So 13% of the shape is shaded.